Addressing team of natural habitat experts and student executive from the 3 tertiary institutions in Enugu State, Paddy Eziala, outlined dangers that face a sub-Saharan African state and Nigerian in particular may suffer if nothing is done to checkmate the killings of vultures and other friendly animals, which he say may soon go into extinction.
People have kind of stigmatized culture, and with this association, nothing good can ever come out of culture. And this is ignorance because vultures are very, very important species. So as I listed in the PowerPoint presentation, Nigeria has 940 species of birds. You know? Nobody appreciates the importance of the vulture. Nobody even knows. You know? Nobody has ever presented vultures in good light. They are seen as ugly, filthy, and even laughable. They make people laugh when you see vulture. They want to tell somebody you are not looking good. You can tell me that your head looks like a vulture. You know? That's the way it is.
While speaking on the need for the people to refrain from believing the Asian traditions that create natural hatred for animals, outlined some of the benefits people can derive from the 7 out of the 23 species of vultures that is present in Nigeria.
Look at it. In the essay that I wrote, I mentioned his name. He told me the truth that something has happened with vultures which the community was not happy about. That from their own findings, there is a booming trade in vultures going on in this country. You know? Somebody told me, are you sure all these chickens here, people are eating? It's not vulture. Somebody told me, no, vulture is too expensive for that kind of joke. The chickens here, 500 naira. One vulture says it's 150,000. You see what I mean? So, we should not, in our education, awareness, and allow such things to happen. Let's like tons. If you know what is 1 kilogram, and then tons, establish that. At that rate, will everybody remember in the next 2 years? The study recently has revealed that 40% of traders that sell vultures and all vulture parts do so for spiritual purposes. 25% of so for consumption. I've never heard that people eat vulture.
Sharing their personal experiences with animals, which many condemned by its natural look, these participants attribute the belief of death symptoms, which is synonymous with vultures, and other negative beliefs, which experts say it is false.
Yes. So they don't kill butterflies. But in our place, we kill butterflies. We kill everything.
On an organizational level, after living here, they start, what can we do? Because today, I know, yes, this is what culture can do, but my friends in school don't know that. So how can we get the message to them and beyond?
I heard that vulture devour human being. I want to ask, do they devour human being alive or they devour human being dead? I want to understand.
These animal professionals in their public advocacy outreaches that took them round major streets in Enugu North local government area of the state in their awareness creation told residents of the state to cultivate the habit of living at peace with animals in their environment.
So vultures are living things so they can easily regenerate. Once you no longer kill them, they will procreate and come back again. It's natural. But if you allow them to go extinct, they will never come back again. Simple. And vultures don't kill human beings. Vultures eat decayed and rotten things and meats and all that. You know, so they are not a threat to anybody.
Nature sanctuary officers, which are vultures, besides the Egyptian vulture, which is resident in Nigeria. And Enugu has a peculiar story in regards to this. The events of the last 2 months ago in Ike, and your community. Thank you for coming. So, it's why Enugu was very chosen for the scholar process. If things had worked out well, we would have loved to even hold these events in your community.
No doubt that if Nigerians refuse to abstain from attaching obsolete belief to some friendly animals which are visibly out of sync due to some reasons, it may lead to permanent termination of such animals